Welcome back in the next class. Today we are going to discuss on the topic net cash receipt. What is the formula of net cash receipt? So in this we'll study some of the formulas. Amount of cash, check, voucher, etc. in the cash draws minus the amount of initial cash bank plus paid out is the formula is called the net cash receipt. Now, what is the definition of averages and shortage? See, averages when the total of the cash and check in a cash draw is greater than the initial cash bank plus the net cash received is called the averages. Suppose at the end of the day, yesterday in the night, the cash should be 500 rupees in the cash, but after counting, after calculating all the amount is 550 rupees. The 50 rupees is the averages of yesterday. That is called the averages. Now next is the shortages. When the total of the cash and checking a cash draw is less than the initial cash bank plus net cash received is called the shortage. Means example I am giving you. Suppose your hotel has sold 5 lakh rupees yesterday and cash bank is 500 rupees, then it will be the 5 lakh 500 rupees. But after just verifying all the account, each and every transaction, you are finding that it is 5 lakh 450 rupees. It means the 50 rupees is the shortage in your cash bank or the cash draw. Now come to the due back. A due back occurs when a cashier paid out more than he or she received. That is, there is not enough cash in the cashier drawer to restore the initial cash bank. This may be happen when a cashier accepts many checks or in cash large amount of foreign exchange offered by the guest during the shift. These checks and bills are deposited with other receipts and consequences. The front office deposit may be greater than the cashier net cash received with the excess due back to the front office cashier bank. That is what is called the due back. Means suppose I will give you an example of that. Suppose that you have got 500 rupees in the bank and like you have maybe given to like 100 200 rupees to the maybe in some of the guests by cash in different vouchers you have given, but what you have observed that the cash you are facing lots of problem for the transaction of the cash. Okay, that is called the due back. The next topic is the audit control. The audit control, initially audit should make under the visit to the front office cashier desk for auditing accounting record as well as conducting spot checks for the cash bank of the cashier on duty. A report should be completed for the managing and ownership review. The next topic is settlement of account. The collection of payment for the outstanding account balance is called the account settlement, which involve bringing the account balance to the zero. An account can be brought to a zero balance as the result of the cash payment in full or a transaction to the a and proved direct billing or credit card account. All guest account must be settled at the time of checkout. That is called the zeroing out of the account balance. That we will study in the further chapter. That's all for today. Thank you, dear student.